Hello everyone, welcome to our channel V1 Education. We are discussing chapter 4 exponents and powers. In previous class, we started introduction and laws of exponents. So these two topics are completed. If you missed these classes, I given a link in description. You can check that one. So yesterday we saw that what is the power, what is exponent, and what is base. How will you read this one? Nothing but suppose 5 power 4 means we will read as 5 is raised to the power of 4. And then we discussed about laws of exponents. We completed, right? All the formulas we completed. So just I done a short list like this. So formulas once we'll discuss again. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a power mn or m into n. A to the power of m into b to the power of m is equals to a into b whole to the power of m, and a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. A to the power of m by b to the power of m is equals to a by b whole to the power of m. Then a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n, and last a by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of m. So these all we discussed yesterday only, right? With examples we covered all these topics, right? Now in today class we'll start with the exercise 4.1. So if you know these laws of exponents, then only you will solve this all 4.1 and 4.2. So first must and should we have to learn these laws of exponents, okay? Because we had to use these all formulas while solving these all problems. So first bit, we'll see first bit here. Simplify and give reasons. First question is what 4 to the power of minus 3. Solution will do here. So given what 4 to the power of minus 3. So if you observe, this is in the form of what a to the power of minus m or minus n. We know the formula a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a power n, right? So what I'm doing here, 4 to the power of minus 3 is equals to this one we can write as 1 by 4 power 3. Yes, because n negative becomes a positive. This is equals to 1 by 4 cube means 4 we have to multiply 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. Then this is equals to 1 by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So the answer is what? 4 to the power of minus 3 is equals to 1 by 64. Okay. So with the formula we have to solve this one. So second one. What is the question given? Minus 2 whole to the power of 4. So here no need to do anything because base is negative means no problem here. Okay. When power is negative, then we have to solve as a formula. With formula we have to solve. Here base is negative, is there is no problem. That means now minus 2 we have to multiply how many times? 7 times. This is equals to minus 2 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So now here just first I am multiplying all 2's here. 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 2's 16. 16 2's 32, 32 2's 64, 64 2's are 128, 128. So how to give the symbol means no need to multiply minus into minus, plus to minus minus. Just reminder whatever the number on the base, if power is odd, if the given symbol is minus in base, if the power is odd, then nothing but if the exponent is odd, the answer will be compulsory in negative terms. If base having negative, if exponent is in the form of even number, nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, then you will get the positive symbol. Now see here, what is the exponent here? 7 is the right. 7 nothing but it's a odd one having base is negative. So the answer will be compulsory minus. So the answer is what? Minus 128. That's it. Next third one is about 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. So we know, again we'll write first here 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. We know the formula a by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of plus m. When it becomes reciprocal, negative becomes what here? positive. Now see here 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3, nothing but a by b becomes what? B by a, nothing but becomes 4 by 3, and the power becomes negative, becomes what? Positive, nothing but plus 3. Nothing but now in the form of what is one? We know that a by b whole to the power of m is equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Nothing but it becomes what? 4 cube by 3 cube. Okay. Now 4 cube means 4 we have to multiply 3 times. 4 into 4 by 3 cube means we have to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3. Then this is equals to 4 for the 16. 16 4 is 64 by 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Clear? So first here we are using two formulas, right? What is the a by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of m. So we got the answer as what? 64 by 27. So this one how you got means again we are doing the formula a to the power of m by b to the power of m. A by nothing but a by b whole power m. We got the answer 64 by 27. Okay, this is about the first bit. Okay, now second bit. Second bit is what? Simplify the following. First question is given as 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. So we'll do solution here. First we'll write what is given. 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power of 6. So we know the formula that a power m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Nothing but when bases are same, while multiplication we had to add the exponents. Nothing but what we can say here, base same is right here. What is it here? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 same is there. Now we have to add these all. Nothing but the 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then this is equal to how much? 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So the answer is what? 1 by 2 whole to the power of 15. Plus just so here see a power m into a power n, because here having only two bases, but here having 3. So no need to worry because here all the bases are equal. This time adding the exponents here. Okay, is it clear? Then next question is what is there? Minus 2 whole power 7 into minus 2 whole power of 3 into minus 2 whole power of 4. Again having same bases, right? And multiplication just you had to add the exponents. Nothing but directly answer I am writing here. Minus 2 whole power of 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So the answer is what? Minus 2 whole power of 14. Clear? That's it. Next one is the third one. Is what? 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. Okay. So given is 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. So first 4 to the power of 4 I am writing as it is. We know formula again, a by b whole power n. Nothing but here I am writing a by b whole power of m is equals to what a formula? A to the power of m by b to the power of m. Nothing but what you can say here, 5 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. So here just I am considering by 1. Now we can cancel denominator and numerator. Then what will get the answer here? 5 to the power of 4. So 4 into 4. Therefore what you can say, 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4 is equals to answer is 5 by 4. Yes, that's it. Next one, fourth one is 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 cubed or 5 power 3. Okay, so what I am doing here, this denominator I am bringing to the numerator. So minus 6, we know that 1 by a power minus n becomes a power n, right? So if you took the numerator, then having all bases are equal, right? Then we can add them. Then we can add that one. This implies 5 power minus 4 into, this becomes now 5 power minus 6 becomes plus 6 into 5 power 3. Yes, is it clear? Now we know that the formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So having common base. So what is the common base here? 5 power minus 4 into plus 6 plus 3. Then 5 to the power of what is that? 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. So the answer is what? 5 power 5. Therefore, what you can conclude here? 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 5 to the power of 5 is the answer. Yes. Okay. So just using here 1 by a power minus n formula, you get a power n. So just bringing it to the numerator, then solving by using formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n, you get the answer. Okay. Or else you can do like this also. So if you do the reciprocal of these two, it becomes 5 power 6 by 5 power 4 into 5 power 3. So by using formula a by b whole power minus n, because here bases are not bases are same is there, that's why I am not using this formula. Even though if you do like this also, you will get the same answer. Okay, that's it. Next one. Okay, having one more question, fifth one also, right? Okay, we will do, yes, fifth question here we will do. Question number 5 is minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 7 to the power of 4. Okay, solution will do here. Minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 7 to the power of 4. So we know the formula. See here these exponents are same easy, right? So we know the formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. But so we know that a to the power of m into b to the power of m. But when powers are equal, then what is there here? A into b whole to the power of m. Then according to that one, what you can say, we can multiply these two, right? So a into b, nothing but minus 3 into b is 7 is there. So whole to the power of 4. Then 3 7s are 21, nothing but minus 21 whole to the power of 4. Therefore, we can conclude that one what minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 7 power 4 is equals to minus 21 whole to the power of 4. Yes. So this is about a second bit. Total 5 sums is there. We completed here 5 sums. Next, third bit. Simplify. Again, all simplification only given here. So what is given first here? 2 square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 power minus 5. Okay, so we are having denominator, right? We know the formula 1 by a to the power of minus n is equals to a to the power of n. So just to bring it to the numerator, then it becomes what? 2 square into 2 to the power of minus 2 becomes plus 2, because we are using formula 1 by a to the power of minus n is equals to a power n into 3 square into 3 power minus 1. If you observe here clearly, these two bases are same and these two bases are same. With the formula a power m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. This time I'm applying here. So here having common base as 2. So 2 power, this is what? 2 plus 2 into, here common base is 3 is there. 3 power 2 plus and minus is minus. So 2 minus 1. This is equals to 2 power. 2 plus 2 is what? 4 into 3 power. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So the answer is what? Therefore 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1 is equals to 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 is the answer. Okay, so must and should you had to know the formula, then only you can solve. Okay, this is about the first question of a third bit. Okay, then second one. Question is what? 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 is divided by 6 power minus 1. So again we know the formula. Same, a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n, or a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So this one 4 to the power of minus 1 we can write as what? 1 by 4 into 3 power minus 1. Again this one what? 1 by 3 is divided by 6 power minus 1. Again this one we can write as what? 1 by 6, because all these three are in the form of a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. So this is equals to 1 1s are 1 and 4 3 is 12. Is divided by what? 1 by 6. This is equals to 1 by 12. Division becomes multiplication when this fraction becomes reciprocal. So 1 by 6 becomes what? 6 by 1. This is equals to 6 1s are 6 by 12 1s are 12. So 6 1s are and 6 2s are. So the answer is what? 1 by 2. Therefore 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 is divided by 6 power minus 1 is equals to answer what? 1 by 2. Or this one we can write as what? 2 power minus 1. So you can write as 1 by 2 or 2 power minus 1. Okay, so once you check again here, so these three all are in the form of what? A power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. We multiplied, and division becomes multiplication, the fraction becomes a reciprocal. 1 by 6 becomes here 6 by 1. This division became multiplication. We got the answer as 1 by 2. Okay, this is about the third bit. Next, fourth bit. Fourth bit is first question. Simplify and give reasons. Simplify and give reasons. First question is 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. So first question. Okay, 4.1. So fourth bit, first question. Solution. Should write the given. So 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 to the power of minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay. So 4 to the power of 0 means which formula you have to use? A to the power of 0 value. Again 5 power minus 1 nothing but in the form of a power minus n. So first we'll write here formulas. So we know that a to the power of 0 is equals to 1 and a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. So we have to use these two first here to complete this one. This is equals to 4 power 0 means here 1 plus 5 power minus 1 nothing but a power minus n nothing but 1 by a power n. So this one we will write as 1 by 5 completed brackets into 5 square into 1 by 3. Now here considering the LCM 1 comma 5 LCM is 5. So 1 table 5 5 times 5 ones are 5 plus 5 table 5 1 times numerator is 1 1 ones are 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Here adding 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay, if cancellation is possible, we can do here 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So here also 5 square 5 will be cancelled, but we'll use the formula here. Okay, then 2 ones are 2 into 5 square by 5. Okay, so we know the formula. What is there? A power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. This is equals to 2 into 5 power 2 into this becomes 5 power. Nothing but power is 1 is the right. Plus becomes what? Minus. Then 2 into 5 power. Again formula a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Then 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So therefore what is the answer? 4 to the power of 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3 is equals to what is the answer? 2 into 5. 2 into 5 or 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 is the answer. Yes, once you check here. So we are using 1, 2, 3, 4. We are using here 4 formulas. Nothing but you can, if you want to miss, you can multiply 2 5 is 10 is the answer. Okay. Next, second one is what is the question? 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. Yes, so we'll do solution for this one. What given is what? 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. See, if you observe here, having all the bases are different is there, but the powers what, the exponents what, having all are same. Yes, so nothing but we know the formula a to the power of m into b to the power of m. See, bases are different, right? Then what is the formula? A into b whole to the power of m. So nothing but we had to multiply the bases. Then what you will get here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of m. What is the common is here? Minus 3. M value what is here? 3. Now just we have to multiply all these bases. 1 1s are 1. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 5s are 40. So 1 by 40 whole to the power of minus 3. Then we know that formula. What's the formula? So to get a positive, we know that a by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to, if you do reciprocal, minus becomes what? Plus. Nothing but b by a whole to the power of m. It becomes what? 40 by 1 whole power 3. Nothing but 40 whole cube is the answer. Therefore, what we can conclude here? 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3 is equals to 40 whole cube. Nothing but 40 into 40 into 40. Okay, or else if you want to miss, you can find the factors also, will get the same answer. It's about 40 whole cube. This is the question number 2. Okay. Next, question number 3. Fourth beta, third one. So 2 power minus 1 into, so plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. Simplify and give results, he said. So again, we know the formula. So first we will write what he given. Question 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. Right? So we know the formula a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. Right? So these three in the same form. So just I am doing directly here. 2 power minus 1 means what? 1 by 2 plus 3 power minus 1 means 1 by 3 plus 4 power minus 1 means 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. Now we have to consider the LCM of the denominator. 2, 3, 4. So LCM what? 2, 3, 4, nothing but LCM is what? 12. Okay, then 2 double 12 how many times? 2 6 are. So numerator is 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 3 table 12 how many times? 4 times. 4 ones are 4 plus 4 table 12 3 times. 3 ones are 3 into 3 by 4. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. So cancellation is possible, right? 3 ones are and 3 fours are. Then 13 by 4 fours are 16. Okay, therefore what we can conclude here? 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4 is equals to, what is the answer? 13 by 16 is the answer. Yes, simple formula, just we took the LCM. You know how to take the LCM? 2, 3, 4. Find the 2, 3, 4. 2 1s are 3, it won't go, writing as is 2 2s are 4. So these are prime numbers. Multiplying 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12. 12 is the LCM. I think you know it. That's why I said here directly here. 12 is the LCM. Then we got the answer about 13 by 60. Yes, this is what question number 3. Now we'll discuss question number 4 here. Question number 4. What is question number 4 here? 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. Okay, first we'll write the given question. What is the 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. So here 3 only the right, so nothing but having degree compulsory how much? 1. Okay, again same condition, so we had to know the formula. First one is what? A to the power of 0 is equals to 1 and a to the power of minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. Yes, we have to use these two here. Okay, then what will happen here? So 3 power minus 2 by 3 power 1 into, 3 power 0 means what? 1, nothing but a power 0 is 1, minus 3 power minus 1, nothing but what is the value? 1 by 3. Is it clear? Then this implies so this also we can write here in the form of a power n by a by b whole power. Sorry, in which form is here? So normal the right. So we'll take a numerator to denominator to the numerator. So we know the formula a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. So if it becomes what? 1 by 3 power 1 into 3 power minus 2 becomes what here? 3 square. Okay, into, now considering here LCM. What is LCM here? 3 is the LCM. 3 ones are 3 minus in 3 table 3 is 1 time. 1 ones are 1. Then 1 by 3 power a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Then 1 plus 2 is what? 3 into 3 minus 1 is what? 2 by 3. Nothing but 1 2s are 2. Again 3 power 3 into 3 power 1. Nothing but a power m into a power n. Nothing but a power m plus n. So 3 power 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Therefore 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1 is equals to 2 by 3 to the power of 4 is the answer. Okay, so just this one only numerator converted into form of a power minus n, then it becomes plus n. 2 plus 1 it becomes 3 here. So took the LCM here. 1 table 3 times. 3 ones are 3. 3 table 3 1 time. 1 ones are 1. So then 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. Then again same in the form of a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Then we got 2 by 3 to the power of 4 is the answer. Yes, this is about the fourth question. Next is the fifth one. Fifth one is what? 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. Right? So, solution. Again same formula. These two formulas. Nothing but a power 0 is equals to 1 and a power minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. 1 I am writing as it is plus 2 power minus 1 nothing but 1 by 2 plus 3 power minus 1 nothing but 1 by 3 plus 4 power 0 means 1. Now again consider LCM. Consider here by 1. It won't change the value. LCM 2 comma 3. What is LCM is 6 because these two are prime numbers. So 1 table 6 6 times. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 table 6 3 times. 3 ones are 3 plus 3 table 6 2 times. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 table 6 6 times. 6 ones are 6. Then adding 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So 17 by 6. Therefore, because all having same formulas, that's why we are moving very fastly here. Then 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0 is equals to 17 by 6. That's it. Okay, this is about question number 5. And the last one is about question number 6. Is what? 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 and whole to the power of 2. Okay, so this is also behind formula solution. First we'll write a given question. 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 2 and total whole to the power of 2. And we know the identity. So what is the identity? You know, a to the power of m. A to the power of m whole power n is equals to formula a to the power of mn. Nothing but m into n. Right? So what will happen here? Then 3 by 2 whole to the power of, this is m, this is n. M into n, 2 to the 4, nothing but which 4? Minus 4. Right? So to convert into the positive form, we have the formula. What is the formula? If a by b whole power minus m is equals to convert this power to the negative to the positive, we have to do the reciprocal of the given fraction. A by b becomes what? B by a whole to the power of m. Now this 3 by 2 becomes what reciprocal? 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. Okay, nothing but what you can say about this one again formula. A by b whole to the power of m is equals to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. This power we had to write the both numerator and denominator. It becomes what? 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. Right? So 2 power 4 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 by 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 9, 27, 27 is 81. So 16 by 81. Therefore, what we can conclude from this one? 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 and total whole to the power of 2 is equals to 16 by 81. Is the answer. Okay. So whatever you will expand, the compulsory you had to use the formula compulsory. Okay. This is about the fourth bit. So with this we discussed exercise 4.1 first 4 bits, right? So this is about the exercise 4.1 first 4 bits. So we are having a next more 6 sums we are having. So in next class we'll try to complete those all sums. Okay, if you have any doubt, just do comment. I will try to explain it. Right? Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you so much.